Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well and doing great. The presentation on the topic the chemical basis of animal life. So let's start our presentation. The title is the chemical basis of animal life. The subtitle include atom, elements, molecule and compound. Atom. Everyday object made by atoms. Atoms are the building block of matter. Atoms are the combination of three type of particles which is called subatomic particle, which include proton which has positive charge, electron which has negative charge, neutron which has no charge. Naturally occur 90 type of present in the world. Artificially prepared 20 type of atoms with the help of two processes. First is a nuclear fusion and second is the nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is the process in which the breakdown of large molecule into simpler one. For example, uranium is breakdown into krypton and barium, and nuclear fission in which it is the process in which the combination of two small molecules to the formation of large molecule. For example, when two hydrogen atom combine and one helium molecule is formed. Elements. Elements which is not broken down to either form. For example, gold. 96% of body mass is based on animal elements. Like four essential elements are carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen. On the basis of composition in the animal body, first we discuss oxygen. Oxygen has a binding ability. It combines with two hydrogen atoms to form water molecule, which is the life on earth. Oxygen is help in breathing, metabolism of living organism, contraction, repairing, and then we discuss oxygen cycle. Oxygen is present in the atmosphere in the O2 form. Plant used carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and the process of photosynthesis is occur and it releases oxygen which is gained by the animal or living organisms if by the process called respiration, and it release exhale carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, and this process is repeated again and again. Carbon. Carbon is used in the cellular respiration are the building block of cells, and then we discuss carbon cycle. Carbon is present in the atmosphere in the carbon dioxide form. The plant use carbon dioxide to done the process of photosynthesis to release oxygen in the atmosphere. The primary consumer eat plant, the higher consumers eat primary consumers, and the transfer of carbon dioxide from the plant to the primary to the higher consumers. When both primary and secondary consumers die, decomposition occur and nutrient is transferred into the soil and carbon dioxide transferred direct into the atmosphere in the carbon dioxide form. Other processes like burning of fossil fuel like coal, gases, direct convert carbon dioxide into atmosphere. Nitrogen. Nitrogen is used in making protein. Nitrate causes bad effect on health, like it decrease the blood carrying capacity of oxygen. Nitric oxide help in relaxation of muscle. Nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen is present in the air. N2 is converted into NH3 with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria. N3 is converted into N2 with the help of nitrifying bacteria. N2 is converted into NO3 with the help of nitrifying bacteria, and which is taken by the plant for the formation of protein, and from plant it is converted into the animal for the synthesis of proteins, and when animal die it's further converted into NH3, and further nitrifying bacteria convert NH3 into NO2, and further nitrifying bacteria convert NO2 into NO3, and then denitrifying bacteria convert NO3 into N2 in the atmosphere. Hydrogen. Hydrogen is a military weapon because it combines with oxygen to form water, which is the life on earth. Hydrogenation. It helps in the. Then we discuss hydrogen cycle. Hydrogen cycle, first the transpiration occur by the plant and water is converted into the form of condensation into the cloud. Then evaporation occur with the help of when the sun rays fall on the streams or lake. Evaporation occur and it convert the water into vapors form, and into the condensation reaction it convert into cloud. Then precipitation occur which means rain falling from the clouds. If the rain falling on the mountain, it causes snow falling, and if it present in the normal areas, then it causes rainy season, and water is converted into further streams and lake. But when in the mountain, when the temperature of the mountain rises, this snow is converted into water, and it is transferred this snow into streams and lake. This chart showed you how human body is composition is based. It based on these elements like oxygen 65%, carbon 18%, hydrogen 9.5%, nitrogen 3.2%, and furthermore. Molecule. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms are chemically bounded. For example, water molecule in which two hydrogen atom is combined with one oxygen atom and form a water molecule, or it is the smallest particle of an element. Compound. Two or more chemical elements are chemically bounded, they form compound. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आ जाता है हमारे पास, इसमें भी वाटर मालिक्यूल ही आ जाता है हमारे पास. अगर हम बात करें कंपाउंड की क्लासिफिकेशन की, तो कंपाउंड इज क्लासिफाइड इनटू टू पार्ट्स, ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड एंड इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. अगर हम ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड की बात करें तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड हेल्प इन द एक्टिविटीज ऑफ लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, and carbon hydrogen bonding is present in organic compound, but salt formation is absent. Organic compound is further classified. Organic compound is further classified into carbon, nucleic acids, proteins, and lipids. Carbohydrate, which is the ultimate source of stored energy in the body, and classification of carbohydrate is further classified into monosaccharide, disaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Monosaccharide is further classified into glucose, fructose, galactose. Disaccharide is further classified into sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Oligosaccharide is further classified into two parts, and polysaccharide is further classified into three parts. Starch, which is the ultimate source of energy in the plant, glycogen or cellulose. Lipids play structural function in the animal body. Lipids are classification. Lipids are classified into simple lipids, compound lipids, and derived lipids. Simple lipids consist of two parts, fats and waxes, waxes are used by insect for their protection. Compound lipids. Compound lipids are the ester of fatty acids and alcohol contains other groups. And derived lipids are the compound of hydrocarbons rings and a long chain hydrocarbon side chains. Protein. Protein is used in the regulation of cell, tissue, and organ. The classification of protein is classified into further part such as structural protein, enzymes, hormone, respiratory proteins, transport proteins, contract proteins, storage proteins, and toxin. Amino acids are the building block of peptides, and it has structural function like peptides. Classification of amino acid classified into hydrophilic and hydrophobic. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are large biomolecule and their composition is based on nitrogenous bases, pentose, sugar and phosphoric acid. Classification of nucleic acid की बात करें तो nucleic acid में nitrogenous bases की बात करें तो there are two types of nitrogen bases, purines and pyrimidines. Purines are further classified into adenine and guanine, and pyrimidines are classified into three types on the basis of the DNA or RNA molecules. If DNA molecule, the pyrimides are cytosine and thymine, and in the form of RNA, the cytosine and uracil are present. अगर हम बात करें पेंटोज शुगर की तो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ पेंटोज शुगर, राइबोज शुगर और डीऑक्सीराइबोज शुगर. राइबोज शुगर इज यूज्ड इन द RNA synthesis and deoxyribose sugar is used in the synthesis of DNA. फर्दर आ जाता है फॉस्फोरिक एसिड. फॉस्फोरिक एसिड में जब जो है वो फॉस्फोरिक एसिड न्यूक्लियोसाइड्स के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो न्यूक्लियोटाइड बनते हैं और न्यूक्लियोटाइड न्यूक्लिक एसिड से बने हैं. Inorganic compound. Inorganic compound are formed by the natural processes. It lack carbon-hydrogen bond and salt formation is present in inorganic compounds. Classification of inorganic compound. Inorganic compounds are classified into oxygen, carbon dioxide, water, and inorganic salts. ऑक्सीजन वी नो डैट रेस्पिरेशन में हेल्प करती है, उसके अलावा कंबशन में और रिपेयरिंग में। देन फर्दर मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब कर चुकी हूँ ऑक्सीजन साइकिल। वाटर इज फॉर्म्ड when two hydrogen atoms combine with one oxygen atom to form water, which is used as lubricant, regulate body temperature, major blood component है ये, टिश्यू को moist रखता है, remove toxic and unwanted material, hydrated muscles and act as a soften tool. Carbon dioxide Carbon dioxide regulate pH of blood, exhalation, photosynthesis and acid base balance. कार्बन साइकिल इज फर्दर मैं आपको डिस्क्राइब कर चुकी हूँ। इनऑर्गेनिक सॉल्ट include acid, base, oxides and salt. Bases and acids. Bases when react with water, it releases OH group. For example, sodium hydroxide for use for paper, soap formation. Ammonium hydroxide is used to remove grease stains. Acid. When react with water, it releases H plus ions. And the change of indicator, preserve food और clean metals के लिए use होते हैं acids. Then last is the oxide and salt. Oxide. Calcium oxide is used for water purification. Magnesium oxide is used as good thermal conductor. Salt. Salts are crystalline substances for use for preserving food. Acid-base reaction lead to salt formation. I hope my presentation increase your knowledge. Thank you for listening. My presentation presented by Aliza. Huda Hafiz and Hell Hafiz.